In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer to your website in Webflow. This video will guide you through the entire process, from opening the Webflow platform to publishing your customized footer design. Before we dive in, if you're new to Webflow, you should know that it's a powerful tool for building websites visually with the flexibility of coding if needed. It's perfect for designers and developers alike. To get started, you'll want to open Webflow in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will give you access to your projects. Once you're in, head over to your site dashboard and select the project you're working on. This prepares your site and you'll be ready to start incorporating additional elements. Now, let's get into adding the footer. On the left-hand side, there's an Add Elements panel. You'll click on this to open up a variety of components you can add to your site. Within this panel, you will find a Layouts section, a convenient feature that provides pre-designed elements that you can simply drag and drop on your canvas. Once you've clicked on Layouts, you'll notice a search functionality at the top. Here, you'll want to type in the word footer. This will filter the options, making it easy to find what we need. When the footer options appear, go ahead and select your preferred choice. Click on it, and then you can drag this element directly onto your canvas. This method of adding elements is not only time-saving, but also ensures that your design remains consistent and clean. Now that the footer is on your canvas, focus your attention to the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see the Settings panel, a powerful hub for customization. You have the creative freedom to tweak almost anything. Dive into the options to explore color themes, adjust borders, change text, and more. This customization process allows you to tailor the footer to match your website's branding and aesthetics seamlessly. Once you've made all the necessary customizations and are satisfied with how the footer looks and functions, it's time to showcase your hard work. Head up to the top right corner of Webflow and click Publish. This step will update your live website, sending your footer changes into the digital world for everyone to see. Remember, preview your site to ensure everything looks and operates as you've intended before sharing widely. And there you have it, a fully customized footer added to your site using Webflow. Hopefully, these steps make the process smoother for you, enhancing both the functionality and the style of your site. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.